What's up YouTube, Naomi here. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm coming to you all with another braiding video. In this video I am doing knotless goddess Bohemian box braids. Let me give you guys a closer look. This is what I did. Super cute. Okay, I have only given myself braids. This is the second time that I've done it, and I am so happy with the results. I am not quite there yet with parting, especially in the back of my head. I can do this is cool, but the back is really hard for me to do. But this was otherwise so easy. I made mine jumbo, as you guys can see from the braids and the parts. Mine are a little bit on the bigger, chunkier side, but that's exactly what I was going for. I'm gonna post an inspo pic on the screen here. I found it on Pinterest and I was just like, oh my god, so cute. So here we are. This was super easy to do. One more time, show you guys what it looks like up close. Mine are booty length, so they are quite long, but I actually love this look so much. So I'm gonna stop wrapping and we're gonna get into this. For my braiding hair, I used the pre-stretch Canicolon and the water wave free tress hair, and I have a sensitive scalp, so I soak my hair in water and apple cider vinegar before I actually apply it to my head. The night before, I parted and braided my own hair into the sections that I wanted for my box braids, and as you guys can see here, I am just unraveling that braid so I can replace it with the box braid. I am going in with edge control all over the section just to smooth it down. You want to make sure that you don't have flyaways, and then I'm going to go in with my edge brush and just smooth that just a little bit more before I actually go in with the hair. To start my braid, I am separating the section into 3 even parts, and I am gonna just start braiding down. I actually have another video on my channel about how I do knotless braids. I will link that, but I like to just go like 1 or 2 rows down before I start feeding in hair. So I'm just gonna take that first piece of hair, loop that around my finger, and start braiding. So I'm just going to braid that down a couple of rows before I add my first piece of curly hair. And when you add your curly hair in, the trick is you want to make sure that one side of the curly hair is longer than the other. You're going to feed in the short side of that curly hair into the braid while separating the long piece from the braid, so it doesn't get caught up. And I just like to hold mine in my mouth and just go from there. And then after you put that in, then you're going to go back in with a straight braiding hair and just keep going back down. For some of my braids, I wanted the curly piece to be on the end, so I'm just treating that like the regular braiding hair and feeding that in towards the bottom and then braiding it down. The curly hair is just kind of gonna hang out at the end of the braid and really give it that goddess or bohemian look that I am going for. So once you get close to the end, all I am going to do is take a piece of that straight hair and just tie a little knot around where I kind of want the braid to end. And then I'm just going to take my shears and cut that off, because honestly it will be kind of ugly just to have that sticking out like that. But yeah, just tie the knot just to make sure the braid doesn't unravel. So I am just gonna go in and style my baby hairs, and yeah, you guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys next time.